on, come on! Miranda Cowan, man! This is immense! Go, go! Get us right up alongside that limo! Faster! Go, go!
Fuck, man, I know, I'm trying.
You're an angel! Angel? Oh yeah, real subtle! Not that close! I don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold! Don't ram her off the road, man! Oh yeah, real subtle! Not that close!
There's nothing special about you. He's a goddess. He's a whore.
Don't ram her off the road, man! Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing. She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel. God, I love her.
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
Oh yeah, real subtle.
Aroo! Show us your marriage-busting muff, Miranda! You bitch.
I love you, Miranda!
Homewrecker! Harlot!
We done yet?
No, she still looks too good. I want the prisoner of war shot. That's where the big zeros are.
Fuck you, Beverly! This one's mine!
Oh, no, it's that bottom feeder Madison! Stay on that bastard! Oh, come on! He ain't go any faster!
I get the idea, homie. Ah!
Whatever you do, do not lose them! He's not taking my glory! Not again! Jesus! You did that to kill the guy?
Oh, and this is coming from a fool that just tried to knock him off a moving motorcycle?
Well, it's done now. A terrible accident, but life must go on. And I'm already late for my next stakeout. Let's go. Get the hell out of here. There's a small parking lot by the Cafe Redemption Courtyard in Morningwood. Drop me there, and you can keep the bike, because I look after my people.
All right, homie, it's been an education, dawg. Look, keep on making the world a better place, you hear me?
Yeah, the public needs to know.